Hello, Earth System Science. Hope everybody's doing all right. This is your weekly agenda for October the 5th. Last week, we looked closely at water quality. And by the end of the week, we were actually reading an article about the Gold King mine. You want to make sure that you've read that you understand how water can be affected by certain things, understand what water quality is, because this week we're moving into wildfires. Okay, and so let's take a look at this week's agenda. Again, same learning target for this whole unit. We're developing an explanation for the quantity, quality, and origin of our local water supply here in Fort Collins. Today we're looking closely at the wildfire. And so the beginning of the week is going to be a synchronous pair deck. So make sure that you are logging into class on time, making sure that you can log into the pair deck and interact with that. That's how you will receive points the first part of this week. And then the second day we meet, I will introduce this wildfire concept map project, which you have your own copy of, and using resources from the presentation and pair deck that we will do on Monday, you're going to create and fill in this concept map with images and descriptions. I will go over more details about what you put on this slide in class, and I will give you the day to do it. And so you want to make sure that you tune in, but in short, you'll be doing a little research, using some resources to find images, and then describe how these topics, things like watershed, water quality, parts of an ecosystem like animals and plants, are connected to wildfires, as well as why wildfires are burning at such the intensity they are recently. And so that's the week. Please reach out with questions that you have, especially questions regarding late work, so that you can try and stay on top of that. But other than that, I will see you guys in class this week. Bye.